Hey guys, me Pasha Raku. Today we're gonna be drinking a Dr. Pepper bottle for no reasons. And yeah, let's get started. Let's listen to this. What the? Anyways, so I did a video called Dr. Pepper Burps. It's me drinking Dr. Pepper. If I don't have a zero with me, I just have normal. Let's see if I actually do burp very loudly with just one bottle. Ugh. Oh. I actually have a bottle downstairs, like a big bottle, but unfortunately, it doesn't make me burp. These make me burp a lot. That's there. That's there. Oh. I feel a burp already. I'm gonna keep charging it up. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna drink a lot now. Ah! I knew it. I knew it. Some people I drink Dr. Pepper with the actual big bottle, but it's just not that gassy than this one. I'm gonna keep drinking it because if I just keep stopping, it doesn't let me burp. I can really feel I'm about to charge it up. It just sounds too funny. Not much, I don't feel it yet. Oh, I feel a big one. I feel one. Okay, it went away. It went away. I at least burped once. I have a stomachache from drinking just too quick. Oh, burp coming in. What the hell was that? Oh my god, I keep falling! Wow. Sorry guys, I had to do that. Oh, I feel one. What was that? Shockwave. I told you, bro. This is what I'll call a burp. Spilt some. That boat's mad. Crazy, bro. Oh. Oh. If I fizz it up and just drink it, it's gonna create so much gas. Let me just. Oh yeah, look at that gas though. Is it gonna rise? It's not that full, that's why. But that's a lot of bubbles, and it can create a big burp. No, calm. Please subscribe to my channel, please. Cool. Help me. Please. I'm gonna die. I need help. I feel sick. Ah! Oh, I feel dizzy, bro.